So first, we're gonna start off with Hi guys! Welcome back to another makeup video. If you want to see how to achieve this look, this is my this is what they call like an everyday makeup look or no makeup look, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Also, I just got my hair done the other day and it's like scarlet red, so yeah, so cute. Yeah, we're at Pismo Beach right now, by the way, for my reference. So first is the moisturizer. This is my favorite. I've used this in like so many videos already. Apply more kasi mainit sa labas. I have this ginif sa akin to ng friend ko, Rare Beauty, Selena's Faves. I'm gonna try these 4 on. So let's start off with the ano ba to? Inspire Matte Lip Cream. Super simple look. So my go-to is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Actually, wala na nga siya eh. Pinipilit ko na lang. Sorry, I don't have any mirror here, so I'm just gonna put kung saan ko think my spots to conceal. So like all over. Then you just blend them all in. I think we also need to put some under our eyes because we have that eye bags now. Just like that. And for this one, I'm gonna use my ring finger. I'm also gonna go in with the Morphe brown lipstick. My favorite, Bobbi Brown BB cream. I'm just gonna blend that all in. Just making sure we don't have any. Then we're gonna go in for the blush with this cute little, dito lang. Dapat you're not gonna smile when you apply blush kasi we've been taught na ganun, diba? Pero ganda daw kung kasi hindi ka naman palagi nakasmile, so gonna put it in here too. Oh, I forgot, like, dapat pala light lang yung blush kasi it goes a long way. Oh no. Oh no. Parang akong sunburned. Then we have the Mesmerize Liquid Luminizer. Then lang sa outer cheek, nose line, nose bridge, and lip bow. Cupid's bow. O, diba? Parang tangos ng ilong ko. Now is the black mascara. Sa brows pala, I'm not gonna do much kasi I already got my brows threaded like last week, so I'm just gonna fill it in. Kung na-fill in ko siya nung tama. Then for lashes, just to make it more natural, I use the individual lashes like this. So I put like 3 each. Okay, I don't know if you could tell, but I already did 3 each of these. Dun lang sa outer. Yeah, I used the lash glue right here. We're just gonna let them dry. And while waiting, we're done with the brows. Are we? Kunti pa dito. Bakit ganyan? Contour. Just a little bit of contour. Like blend it in. The planner from Charlotte. Now we're gonna go in with our mascara again, just to like blend. So finishing touches, I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty matte lip cream. And this luminizer. You could put some in the brow bone too. Okay. Now for the setting spray. Yeah, that is the finished look. I don't know, medyo very natural lang. So like pang everyday makeup, I guess you could say. But thank you for watching this super quick and easy no makeup look. So you could wear this like for everyday lang, ganon. Parang, or medyo halata naman na may makeup ako, pero like for everyday, for school, for like hangout, ganon. Parang simple lang siya. Nothing so intense. But thank you, friends. I will see you in the next one. Bye! Peace out.